Okay, we looked at the sports bar before. We're going to move it down about 1.5 feet. One of the things we've come up with our HVAC company is we've tried to figure out the best place to put the two different furnaces. So what we've come up with is we're going to build another room right outside this window right here. And this is going to be just big enough for a second furnace. We'll fill in this window opening. I'll move the window down to the left about 2.5 feet. Second furnace, still in the mechanical room right now. There was a moment it wasn't going to be in this room, but we've come up with a new duct routing system or program. Put the furnace back in here. So in the mechanical room now we'll have the fire sprinkler control system. We'll have a big water whole house purification system. We'll have the furnace with an air cleaner, and we'll also have an on-demand water heater. It's pretty big. It'll have a recirc system also in it, so you'll have hot water all locations all the time. You don't have to wait. Back here we're going to build a stair system. This is our solution to just have an easy route in and out without trooping around getting in trouble making a mess. There's some plumbing supply lines, hot and cold. We move those up to the very top of the floor joist as high as we can because some of these bays will have HVAC supplies running through them, so we're going to share some bay space. We're getting near the end. Furnace guys are here in a couple of days. They'll need about a week to do this, and then electricians will come in and off we go.